I can show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways and under, on a magic opera ride. I should not give up my day job. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a eye look based on the ColourPop Midnight Masquerade palette. Now this is totally Disney inspired, hence my beautiful singing at the beginning of this video. Okay guys, so this palette is stunning. This is what it looks like, and when you open it up, something that I absolutely love is this design here with all the princesses. It's such stunning packaging, these ColourPop eyeshadows. It's so thoughtful, it's just so super pretty. And here we have all the eyeshadows, and there's just like a little plastic sleeve, and we can see the eyeshadows. And all of these eyeshadows have names of like characters from Disney movies. So for instance, there is a shade called Quasimodo, there is a shade called Pip. It's just so cute, and yeah, I really love these ColourPop palettes. They're just so beautiful. And this is obviously also the, actually no, this is a different, because this is made from cardboard, where the other ones that I have are plastic. So guys, this is going to be a total look using the Midnight Masquerade palette. So it's going to be such a vibe. We are just focusing mainly on eyes. My face makeup is done. I have prepped my eyelids using the P. Louise Rumor 2 eye primer. So guys, if you want to see the look, then please keep on watching. As I've mentioned, I'm using the P. Louise Rumor 2 primer, and now I'm just brushing out that creased areas, because I did leave this primer to sit on for a while. Now I'm mixing the shades Damsel and Enchanted, and I'm placing those two shades into my crease, and this will be the transition shade. And I'm just buffing it in, getting it nice and dark. This P. Louise base is quite tacky, but in the same sense it makes the eyeshadows really pop and stand out. So I'm just building this color up gradually. Next, I'm moving on to the shade New Dream. It's a bit more purpley, and I'm placing that into my crease as well, just for a little bit more depth. And here I'm actually carving out the shape with this color New Dream as well. As you can see, I'm also placing the shade New Dream on the inner corner of my eye, as well as the outer corner, and then joining it up in the crease. This will just give me that oval shape that I am looking for with this eye look. Next, I'm going in with the shade Gaston, and I'm placing that on the outer edges of my eye, as well as the inner corners, and then I'm connecting the two. This is a bit of a reddy pink shade, so I'm just using this shade for depth, and to create that depth for when we actually clean up that center part of the eye. And the shade gives it a nice berry look. It's a very warm shade, so it just makes the look so pretty, and I absolutely love the shade from the palette. Next, we're taking Quasimodo, which is a beautiful chocolate brown, and I am also deepening up the outer corner and the inner corner with this chocolate brown shade. This is actually a very stunning shade, and it complements the pinks in this palette so well. And I really love this brown. It's a beautiful brown, and as you can see, I'm just like defining that shape and then bringing it into my crease as well. Now I'm taking the P. Louise base, and I'm just pasting a little bit of this base into the center of my eye, because the goal here is to cut just the center of the crease, so we're not cutting the whole thing, just like the middle portion of the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Merryweather, and I am just placing that right on the edge where the concealer and those purpley red shades meet. And then I'm joining the Merryweather shade onto the P. Louise base, and as you can see, I'm cutting out sort of that oval shape with the eyeshadow because I want that blue to pop. Now I'm taking the shade Frog and Wife, and I am placing that in the center of the eyeshadow base. It's a good base for this glitter shadow to stick onto, so that's what I'm doing, and I find that these shadows work amazingly with your finger. It's like the best way to do it. And now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just blending everything in together. Now I'm taking the same shade, New Dream, and I'm running this on my lower lash line. And I'm actually going to be mixing the shade New Dream and Gaston, which is that reddy shade, just to deepen it up a little bit more and to intensify this look. Don't forget to blend. I'm just taking a blending brush and working that shadow onto my lower lash line just to ensure there's no harsh lines. Now going back with Merryweather, I am placing Merryweather on the outer and inner portion of my eyelid, but I'm leaving the center portion blank for now. And then you'll see I'm taking Frog and Wife again and just placing that in the center part that we have kept open. And I'm just intensifying that blue shade again. Guys, remember, when you do your look, you can always go back and add more shades in. Now I'm just highlighting the inner corner, and for that I'm using the shade Spinning Wheel. This looks white pearly in the palette, but as soon as you put it on, it has more of a pinky purple tinge to it. It's so stunning. Now I'm going in with the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner. This is actually a lip liner technically, but you can use it on your eyes. And I'm creating a wing. Here I'm starting off with the lilac purple shade, and then you'll see I move in with a shimmery pink shade, and that's what we are using for eyeliner. This is the pink shade that I've mentioned earlier, and with this pink shade I'm actually just placing that on top of the lilac winged liner. Just gave it a very beautiful look, and it created that glossy dimension to this eye look. You have to work fast with these liners because they don't stay glossy forever. Next, we're just going to be coating our lashes with some mascara. You can use anything. This is just what I had on me, just to prep for falsies. And for falsies, I will be using the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. As you can see, I'm just quickly lining my waterline with a beige eyeliner, and this is just an eyeliner from Essence. Now for lips, I'm just lining my lips. This is just a lip liner from LA Girl. Guys, you can do whatever. I just wanted my lips to be a very neutral color because the eye look is just so bold and bright. I'm just putting a little bit of Vaseline on because the lip liner was quite tough. So I'm just, I needed some sort of moisture to get that lip liner on. And for lip gloss, I'm using MAC Lip Gloss in the shade Oyster. And guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun doing this, totally out of my comfort zone, especially with the colorful eyeliner, but I really like the way this turned out. Okay guys, so this is the finished look on the ColourPop Masquerade palette. I really like the way this look turned out, and I am so happy with the way the colors worked out and just the way everything, all the colors blended so beautifully, and I really love the way the finished product looks. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye.